The present political development, it is something like is going to be unconstitutional, and there might be these constitutional crisis. Say, for example, the orders issued by the Honorable Governor of Manipur dated 9 February 2025, thereby declaring the order dated 24 January 2025, which is the summoning of the assembly session, is the null and void, is illegal and unconstitutional. There is no power to issue such order by the Honorable Governor. There is no provision in the Constitution of India. So mentioning the Article 174, that is not there, such type of orders saying the null and void. So, and at the same time, today is the last days of the gap between the last session and these present sessions is going to be end today. So there will be automatically this constitutional crisis if there is no this new government, new leaders, and this is very unfortunate that the BJP, the central government, is not taking up seriously. So this is what the present situations comes